Hey everyone, I'm Sushrut, I work on Bito, and in this video, I'm going to demonstrate how I'm using Cursor to write code and Bito to review that code. Let's get started. As you can see, here I am in Cursor, and I'm working on this project called Expense Tracker. I have these files here, index.html, Java file, Python file, JavaScript file, and a CSS file. I'm here in my cursor bar and I'm asking it to suggest me new features that I can add to this project. Let's see what it says. As you can see, it is giving me a bunch of options here. High impact feature ideas, CSV import, advanced analytics, network tracking, etc. Right? Now let's choose one. Write the code for multi-currency enhancements. Let's do this one. I'll ask Cursor to write code or create this feature. Now, Cursor has made all the code changes. It created the files, it made code changes. I'll just go and select keep all. And here I have modified file. You can clearly see that I'm vibe coding an application, a project within minutes. But out of all the code that Cursor is generating, that the AI is generating, we need an AI to review that code. This is where Bito comes in. Let's click on the extension. I'll just run a code review here. By the way, I haven't staged the changes. The changes are still local. So I'll select local changes and I'll do an essential review. Click start and it will start analyzing the collected data and performing code reviews. Now, it will take from a few seconds to a few minutes to generate the code reviews. Let's wait and see. By the way, if you are using IDEs like Cursor or Windsurf 2, you can just go to their marketplace, search for Bito extension, click on this, and just install the extension. It works the same for VS Code, Windsurf, JetBrains IDEs, and Cursor. Our review is now complete. Now, in our chat, we grabbed add code reviews for local changes and an essential review. Now, it gave us two issues. Now, this is how Bito gives you the issues or gives you the PR suggestions or code suggestions. First, the issue. Incorrect parameter used for historical rates API call. Then the fix. Change this to this. Super easy, right? Now, it also gives you the file where to change from. And then you also have the option to see the code change and apply it with just one click. You can accept it from here or from here. Perfect. Now the another issue is flawed migration condition causing unnecessary recalculation. It gives you the fix, the file, and a one-click option to accept or apply the change. Super cool, right? Let me give you an overview or example of Windsurf 2. I have this code here, expense-validator.java and then expense-analyzer.py. Here I ran the code review for staged changes and in comprehensive mode, and it gave us these issues. The format is same, the UI is same, and the suggestion giving option is same as well. You have issue, you have the fix, the file, and a one-click option to apply those changes. Pretty cool, right? So this is how you can couple your AI IDs like Cursor and Windsurf, this Bito's AI code review agent. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to the Bito team. Thank you.